to access your assignments and your PDF. So this is, for example, like a student's dashboard, and so you would click Science first period, and you would go to classwork, and I created a topic called Remote Learning March/April 2020, where I'm going to put all the material that you need to do during the coronavirus quarantine, I guess you could call it. So the first week's assignment is this one. You would click on it, and then you would click on the Google Doc I made, and you would answer incomplete sentences and follow the model from Monday. So you don't need at all, you could get rid of. And then so you would answer like your question for number 1 here, whatever it is. And from 2, number 3, the questions come from the PDF, which is right here. So for example, for Monday, you want to read pages 1 through 3 and answer the in-reading questions 1 through 5 and section 1 review questions 1 through 6 on page 4. So if you go into the into the PDF, for day 1, for example, you would be reading page 1, 2, and 3. You would be answering these in-reading questions. So like this one, that the answer to that one would go here, and then the answer to this one would go in the next one, and so on. And then you get through all of that. Then you do number 1 through 6 here. Okay, and then you follow that template for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then once you are done, you click Turn In. One attachment is submitted, and then you click Turn In, and that is due on Friday. Right? All of the questions for each day go in one document and must be submitted by midnight on Friday, which is in 2 days.